One of the reasons that a lot of major enterprises have gone to disk and network-based backup is because of security. The notion that tapes could get lost and not be traced back, not knowing whether they were falling in the wrong hands, whether they were social security numbers or credit card numbers. For a lot of institutions, it is just not an acceptable risk. Instead of encrypting the tapes, which feels a little bit like a lipstick on the pig type of strategy, because at the end of the day we're still making tapes, they said, why don't we just go to a disk and network based approach, because that way data can't get lost because it's on our disk drives, it's on our network. Nobody's driving our data across town. But as the industry matured, a lot of people felt we'd be even more comfortable if our backups were encrypted on disk as well. So when the data is at rest, in other words, when the data is not moving from A to B, when the data is at rest, when it is on disk, it is also encrypted. What does that protect you against? Somebody wants to walk off with a disk drive, which is not all that likely in a secure data center. The data would be gibberish and not be usable for any purposes that weren't authorized.